Show you the cabbage. I'm starting to get ahead. What's interesting is the amount of roots is not nearly what you think it would be. They're actually kind of small. This is the cabbage today. You can see that there's some splitting in 3 of the 4, but it's still continuing to grow. I want to get a little bigger head if I can. The splitting shouldn't hurt harvest, and I could harvest now, but they'd just be tiny heads. I wanted to show you that at this size, I want to discuss it anyway, not show you really, because I've already filled up the reservoir, but at this size, the reservoir the cabbage is drinking about half of the reservoir a day. So about half a gallon a day the cabbage is drinking now because of its size. It is really trying to grow right now because the plant's so big. So every 2 days I have to add the water level back up to the top. You don't have to keep the water level at the top. As long as the roots, see there, as long as they're touching in some water, they'll do just fine. But when you goes completely down, they kind of compress, so they're mostly in the water. So all 4 heads are busted, but we're gonna fix that in the future, and we're gonna eat all 4 of these, I promise you. These are grown in almost, I wouldn't say a sterile environment, but very, very clean environment. So I don't see a problem at all eating even the busted heads, because it's basically, not like cutting it open, but it's basically, you know, exposing the insides, which is essentially the same as cutting it open, but it's so fresh looking anyway. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'll clean these up and I'll show you one final look. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.